I got a little bit of a different one for you today. So I'm gonna be riding back to my parents' house and I'm gonna be surprising my dad with a little gift. Now, I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but I will give you one hint. It's a gadget for his bike. So, see if you can figure it out. Might be easy, might not be easy. He's at work for a few hours, so I got a 2-hour time slot basically, and I'm gonna install it on his bike, and then when we go riding today, see if he notices. I'm assuming he'll notice. Let's go. Now, I just wanted to check this campsite out because I ride past it all the time, but never actually take a look. So let's see. Now, this is a pretty sweet spot, guys. So the highway is just up there. With all these trees here, it kind of blocks the noise. You can't really hear it. Now, I do have earplugs in, so that might be something. There's kind of a few different levels. Little camp spots here, all the way down. Pretty sweet spot, actually. I like it. So don't know if you guys noticed, but it's starting to rain a little bit more, so I threw the old tank cover rain protector on, and oh boy, does that hit you in the face with that color. My god, I think you can see this from space. So if I go missing, an alien took me, just so you guys know, because this thing is a bright. Why did they make it that bright? I mean, you know, it could have been black. It would have been fine. I'm trying to keep my eyes on the road, but then this thing's like, whack! Right in the face. That mountain in the background over there looks a little mysterious. So, real quick, let me recap the game plan here. So we're going to my parents' house, give my dad a gift. Boom. That's number one. I have a couple hour window to install said gift. Any guesses what it is? So I got a couple hour window to install said gift. And then my dad and I, we had planned to kind of check out some of the areas that that started this whole adventure riding fiasco, if you will. And unfortunately, it'll probably be raining all day today, so I'm not going to be able to throw the drone up. So I'll be able to get some wicked shots for you guys, but at least we still got the helmet cam and this GoPro here. So hopefully get some good enough footage for you guys to kind of grasp the area we're in. So let's hurry up and get to the house and get this thing going. All right, just rolled up to my parents' house and look at this. Oh my god, that is a giant slug. Oh, should I lick it? No. All right, guys, made it to my parents' house, and here's old Red, my dad's bike. So, what did I get him? What am I going to surprise him with? Well, the Carpu Ride 702 Pro. Now, this is a motorcycle GPS unit, similar to my Iochi that I have there. If you haven't watched that video, go take a look right here. Same, but different at the end of the day. So we're gonna install this on his bike. We got 2 hours before he gets home, and then him and I are gonna go for a rip, and I'm gonna see if he notices it. I'm pretty sure he's gonna notice a big 7-inch screen on his bike. So first thing I wanna do is figure out where the best mounting spot is going to be. So this comes with a little ram mount, but quickly looking at it, I'm thinking I'm gonna use the smaller plate and just put it right here instead of the ram mount coming way up, and I'm gonna try that first. So we're gonna mount it first, get that in line to where I think he'll like it. And we also have a little helper here today. This is Lucy. She's gonna be helping installing. So, hey, excited to help Dad? She's gonna get a GPS unit? Yeah. So once we do that, the only thing we gotta do is figure out an ignition source to hook this up. And then we're golden. So one other issue I was thinking about is he's got a tank bag here as well that he likes to ride with. So just making sure that it wasn't gonna hit the tank bag when he turns, and looks like we're in the clear. Now we gotta run the wiring, find an ignition source kind of back in the tail here, and then hook up the TPMS sensors. Yeah, it's got them. Tell you this for free. This 2007, it might be a 2008 actually. Let's say 2008. This 2008 KLR, maybe it's 2009. Oh, I'm losing touch. Anyways, this KLR, it's gonna look a lot more modern with this thing on there. Nice little upgrade. There's our designated helper. Come here. Did you help put that on, hey? You did a great job. You did a great job. All right, so I've been waiting. Mom says Dad should be home any minute here. So now we wait. I'm gonna see. It's gonna be weird kind of just filming him, hey? He's gonna be like, why the heck are you filming me right now? I'll just say I'm doing it for YouTube. He'll understand. Okay, he's finally rolling in here. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Am I in the way? Ah, I'm gonna get hit. What's going on?
What are you doing here?
Going for a rip.
Going for a rip?
Going for a rip.
Get the bikes already?
Yeah, bikes are ready to go.
Ready.
Ah, go sit on your bike.
What?
Go sit on your bike. Go for a spin.
Look at this.
Hey.
That's awesome.
It's the Carpu Ride 702 Pro. So I had a couple hours, just installed it for you. Yeah.
Thank you. That's cool.
You're saying you wanted one for a little bit, so
take back at some point? Or?
Take back. Yeah, no, that's yours. It's all set up, got it wired kind of nicely.
Yeah.
Looks like it's kind of away from your tank bag and everything here.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
That big screen for my poor old tired eyes.
Yeah, so you don't have to be squinting anymore, hey? Yeah. You can see everything right there.
That's cool. Well.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go do this.
Let's go for a rip. But yeah, swiping it with your gloves, like it still works pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I think you're gonna find you're gonna like just having it being so convenient, right? And then at the same time, not destroying your phone when it's up there. Well, that's where we were supposed to go, and we're not gonna get a lookout, so we're gonna go continue on. It's a pretty sweet view. All right, we're gonna swap bikes. It's been a while since you rode that. Looks so much bigger side by side, eh? Yeah, it is heavier, that's for sure. But look at this fresh new rubber. You gotta replace yours pretty quick. Oh, it's been a while since I've been on the old KLR. Hey, where's your 6th gear? What the heck? The 2 different style mounts. You can have the ram mount come a little bit higher and you can adjust. This one fits on the little, I don't know what size bar those is, but it fits nice. So yeah, overall, I think my dad was pretty happy with it, which makes me pretty happy. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'm going to be posting a full-on review about it in probably about a week or two. Gonna let my dad ride it for a bit, and I'm going to go ride it a few more times as well, just to kind of get a good grasp on it, so I can give you guys a good review on it. So check that out in probably about a week or two. But if you are interested as well in maybe doing a little comparison, which I might do later on, I got the Iochi that I have on my bike here. I just love it. Let me tell you this though, it's I wish I had these, whether it's the Iochi or the Carpu Ride, a long time ago. They make things so much easier, guys. So much easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Pew, 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 pew. I don't know why I do that. That's so dumb.